Hey tech viewers, today we're diving into a common issue that many Razer users face, Razer Synapse refusing to launch. If you've been frustrated by this problem, stick around as we explore the reasons behind it and walk you through 4 effective solutions. Razer Synapse, the backbone of your Razer peripherals, can sometimes be stubborn. This isn't just about Windows compatibility, we're looking at a range of different causes. Number 1, corrupted cache data. Number 2, problematic installation files. Number 3, administrative permission hiccups. Number 4, missing drivers. Number 5, software conflicts. These sneaky issues can keep Synapse from starting up properly. But don't worry, we've got the fixes. Solution 1, compatibility settings. First up, let's tweak those compatibility settings. It might sound counterintuitive, but sometimes newer apps need a blast from the past. Here's what you do. Right-click on Razer Synapse. Hit Properties. Find the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode. Choose Windows 8 or 7. Don't forget to check Run as administrator. Apply and OK your way out. Solution 2. Cache clearing. If that didn't do the trick, let's clear out those pesky cache files. Think of it as a spring cleaning for Synapse. Press Win plus R and type %local app data %. Hunt down the Razer folder, show it the digital trash can. Try launching Synapse again. Solution 3. Repair Razer Synapse. Time to play doctor and repair Synapse. Win plus R again, but this time type appwiz.cpl. Find Razer Synapse in the list. Right-click and select Change. Hit that repair button. Sit back and let Windows work its magic solution. Four, disable at startup. Our final trick might seem odd, but it's worked wonders for many users. Open Task Manager, head to Startup Apps. Find Razer Synapse, right-click, and select Disable. Sometimes Synapse just needs a late start to the party. And there you have it, folks. 4 powerful solutions to get Razer Synapse back on track. If none of these work, you might need to consider a fresh install of both Synapse and its drivers. Remember, persistence is key in tech troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions or other Razer issues you'd like us to cover. Until next time, keep gaming and stay synced.